till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Welcome on our YouTube channel, because she likes to record videos with me. She's 12 years old cockatiel lady and she lives here free in our house. So back to the speaker. Dear friends, in this case I need your help to identify the type of this incredible old speaker. It arrived together with other speakers. You will see them in my next videos a few days ago. So I decided to put it as soon as possible here on the table, because for me it's an incredible nice piece of old technique. I guess that it was produced some early 50s and I don't know the type. Yes, here was something printed here on the magnet system, but I cannot read it. This part is from alloy, but from the front view it looks incredible nice for me. And you can see here is a small damage of the cone surrounding, but never mind, it's incredible nice. I love such speakers. It's in working condition. Let's try it. And the dimension 15 inch. I love it. So let's try the sound. The track number 3, the music is from the YouTube library only, regarding the copyright on the music. So please, if you know this type, what type is it, please write me in comments. And as it is usual, this speaker is for sale and you can find it later on my website Angelicaaudio.cz. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel or our YouTube channel, and if you like my videos you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.